Morning, guys. I'm here in Lulu department store. I'm buying the laptop. I'll buy a laptop for my online training. I use Tabi so that it will installment 4 months to pay. Kuya will install the application that I need. I'll buy an Acer. It's good. They still have anniversary offer today. Okay, kuya. Thank you. Here. Because I need a new laptop for my online training, and also I need to practice Microsoft Office, but I need to have install Microsoft Office. Kuya, today I can bring that to El Dorado to install the Microsoft Office, because I'm going to Hamdan. Hamdan is near the El Dorado Electra, right?
That is full area is called same now.
Yeah. And I want to have a Microsoft Office for that so that I can practice more. Where store is there? What name is the store?
There
You
is
can
better go for there will be shop name is
Rajab.
Speed Computer.
Huh?
Speed Computer.
Speed Computer. I'll try to find that place.
Yeah, you
Speed
can find it
Computer.
very easy to find it.
Because I'm going to Hamdan, maybe I can bring that to install the Microsoft Office so that I can use it when I go home. Yeah.
Only 5 minutes. It will be ready.
Okay. Thank you. That one, guys, it's good. My Tabi was approved, but my amount limit is only 1,400 in my Tabi. 4 months to pay. So every month 350. The remaining, because the laptop is almost 1,700, I need to pay in cash the remaining. More than 300, so I'll pay 400 something for this first month. Next month, the Tabi will get the 350 per month. I'll pay for 4 months to pay. It's good we have Tabi now. No additional charge and no interest, zero interest. 4 months to pay installment. Thank you, Lord. I already got my new laptop. 4 months to pay, and thank you for Tabi. Bye bye.